Minasan konnichiwa. Watashi wa anato no sensei Rika desu. So please all stand and Miss Angel, you may lead the prayer. Okay, thank you. Before I start, let me check first your attendance. Okay, very good. No one is absent today. So before I start my discussion, we have a recap first. So Miss Jinky, can you recap a discussion that we have discussed yesterday? Precisely. So our topic yesterday is all about introducing the verb. So my discussion today is the continuation that the topic we have discussed yesterday. So it is all about the conjugating verb, group 1 verb. First, before that, I'll present first the learning objective of the topics. So the learning objective of the topic is at the end of the lesson, learners will be able to understand the conjugating Japanese verb, group 1 verb. So the learner will be able to identify the verbs that belongs to group 1 verb and understand also how to conjugate the group 1 verb into polite forms. So when we say group 1 verb, it is all about our verbs ending with u. So for example, yumu, asubu, kaku, uyugu. So notice, all the verbs presented above are ending with u, thus these verbs are belong to group 1 verb. So when we say conjugating verbs to polite form, to conjugate the verb or the group 1 verbs to polite form, change u at the end of the verbs to i and then add mas. So for example, yumu, yumimasu, asubu, asubimasu, kaku, kakumasu, uyugo, uyugimasu. So for the summary of the topic, group 1 verbs are verbs ending with u. So to conjugate group 1 verbs into polite forms, change u at the end of the verbs to i and then add mas or add mas forms. So do you understand, guys? Okay. Do you have any clarifications or questions? Okay, none so far. Let's proceed to the activity. So get 1/2 sheet of paper. And for your activity, write the following dictionary forms of verbs into mas forms. So number 1, yumu. Number 2, shaberu. Number 3, urubu. Number 4, kaku. And number 5, hanasu. Okay? 5 minutes left. Pass your paper. Okay, class. Kyuha aisha desu. Matai masu.